Yeah, hi everybody. Dennis here. I got something from Amazon the other day that is going to be working out pretty good because we got camping season coming up. Gotta love camping season. Now, the box, it came in a regular Amazon box, but this is what you get for this particular item, and I can't remember the name of it. Lifelike camping lantern, yada yada yada. So anyway, open it up. I already replaced the batteries, and the batteries are real easy. You just open it up, replace the batteries, and it snaps in. You can hear it. There you go. It's in. Now, I didn't know how bright this was going to be because, you know, you got to see how small it is. But I noticed here that it's got the little hanging jobber here, so inside your tent you can hang it in there and it locks right into place. When you don't need that, put it down and there you go. So anyway, I got the batteries in there and I turned it on. Check this out. You know, for a little light, size-wise, this is pretty bright. Now that's a bright one. This is a medium, low. Check that out. If this doesn't freak you out, I don't know what. Okay, so anyway, here's a nice little feature to have available. I'll put it off to the side there. It's an SOS. How would you like to be backpacking somewhere and you really need to, you're lost, whatever, they're trying to find you, have this thing pointing up the sky. This is pretty slick. Anyway, I thought you'd like to take a look at that, and you get two of them, and the price is right. I think this is going to be awesome. I can't wait to go camping. All right.